So I wanted to do a short video of this hotel, but we're going to start off actually with the fact that they give you breakfast in the morning, and I love how the fact that it's either yes or no. You don't. It's not like there's any choices. It's just, do you want breakfast or not? I really like that, and it's not interesting what it is, just some eggs and some beans and whatever. But they know that I need a lot of coffee, so I get a beer mug full of coffee instead of a coffee cup, which is cool. And so while we're on, let's just do a quick tour of the inside of the hotel, which has got this interesting like window balcony with vents, air vents that go to the outside, which are closed so the cats don't sit on them. And then you've got the room itself, which is nice. But the really spectacular and kind of fantastic part is the fact that it's actually a two-floor suite. It doesn't have a kitchen, but it's got a staircase to the bottom floor, where everything is cat-proofed so they don't do any damage. And but yeah, and we'll go outside and I'll glue these videos together. So, but this is the hotel in Puebla. I'll do a little walking tour outside too. Pretty nice. Highly recommended. I don't even. So anyway, I'm going to get to my beer mug full of coffee, and we will more later. Alright, so let's check it out outside and do a quick view of the parking lot, and I'll show you what an interesting place this actually is. This is the key / turns the lights on and off. You're not going out. Excuse me, please. Alright, let's go outside and I'll show you what an interesting piece of property this actually is. And how empty it is. Shockingly. So, this is our room. And it's got kind of this feels like a Latino Clockwork Orange kind of architecture. So I don't know, 60s, postmodern style. So these must be like the suites. It's got these 3 huge corner rooms. Maybe they're offices, maybe they're suites, maybe they're divided up. It's also checkout time, so a couple of people have gone. There's another one. We're in the corner. And of course the van. But kind of an interesting piece of property and a really nice place. Underutilized. So if you're ever in Puebla, come to this place. I highly recommend it. You will not be disappointed. And unless, and this is kind of one thing I forgot to mention when I was showing you the beer mug of coffee, is I really love how there's no choice of food. You just kind of yes or no. I love that. I really appreciate that. It says a lot about the gratitude of the culture. They're just happy, to get a plate of eggs. However old it may or may not be is not important at all. And there was some dry toast. And you get dry toast, at least here, there's no butter, there's no jam. I'm sure you can ask for it. But it doesn't come with it. You just, that doesn't cross their mind, or you have to ask, or it's just kind of there. They're not thinking about it, which I really appreciate too. Because just be grateful for the fact that you've got something to eat, right? You need, I don't like strawberry, I need blueberry, I need blackberry, I need marmalade, I need butter. Just eat it. So I didn't ask. I don't care. I'm not a foodie at all. So anyway. Viva la México y bienvenidos a la Hotel de la Puebla. Hotel Puente Real.